Have you ever wondered why some people stay healthy, active, and sharp well into their 70s and 80s, while others start facing serious health problems like high blood pressure, heart disease, or even a stroke as early as their 60s? One of the most common, yet often underestimated, reasons is a combination of obesity and a sedentary lifestyle. These two factors can silently damage your body over time, without you even realizing it, until one day, everything changes in a matter of minutes. Today, I want to share with you something that could quite literally save your life. If you find this advice helpful, please make sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss more practical, easy-to-follow health tips made especially for seniors. When we think of obesity, many of us focus on appearance, clothes feeling tighter, the number on the scale creeping up. But the real danger lies inside, where we can't see it. Visceral fat wrapped around the heart, liver, and blood vessels. This hidden fat forces your heart to work harder, narrows the arteries, and increases blood pressure. It creates the perfect environment for blood clots to form, and when one of those clots travels to the brain, a stroke can happen. Now, combine that with a sedentary lifestyle, long hours of sitting, minimal movement, and the risks multiply. Many people tell me, "Doctor, I still do housework, so I'm active." But light chores are often not enough to keep the heart and blood vessels in good condition. Our bodies are built to move, to pump blood efficiently, to keep muscles and circulation strong. When we spend most of our days sitting or lying down, our blood vessels lose elasticity, and our body's ability to regulate blood pressure declines. The most dangerous part is that both obesity and inactivity are silent threats. You might feel fine for years until the warning signs appear: sudden headaches, dizziness, numbness, or weakness in your arms or legs. And by that point, it may already be too late. Stroke doesn't wait. It can strike early in the morning, during lunch, or in the middle of a conversation. Just a few minutes can mean the difference between recovery and lifelong disability, or even loss of life. The good news is, you can lower your risk significantly, starting today. You don't need to run marathons or follow strict diets. Just 30 minutes of light walking, gentle stretching, or slow arm and leg movements each day can make a big difference. Combine that with balanced meals, less fried food, less sugar, less animal fat, and your body will start to feel lighter. Your blood pressure will become more stable, and your blood vessels will stay healthier for longer. I understand that for many people over 60, exercising can feel intimidating, especially if you have joint pain or fear of falling. But there are safe options: walking in your home, gentle yoga, tai chi, or even simple seated exercises. The most important thing is consistency. Your body needs that daily reminder to keep blood flowing well. It's also worth keeping an eye on your weight. If you're not sure what your healthy weight range is, here's a simple way to estimate it. Take your height in meters, multiply it by itself, and then multiply by 22. If your actual weight is more than 5 to 7 kilograms above that number, it's worth making small adjustments to your diet and daily activity. At this stage of life, losing weight isn't about looking younger, it's about living longer and living better. I once had a patient in his mid-60s who suffered a stroke after his blood pressure suddenly spiked. He told me later, "If I had known that belly fat and sitting too much were this dangerous, I would have made changes years ago." That's why I'm sharing this with you today, so you won't have to learn that lesson the hard way. So, if you're listening to this right now, ask yourself, have I moved enough today? Did my last meal have too much fat or sugar? Small changes, made every day, can become your shield against a sudden stroke. And if you found this message useful, please subscribe to the channel. That way, I can keep bringing you clear, reliable, and easy-to-follow health advice, so we can stay healthy, active, and enjoy life well into our later years.